comment and subscribe and share, please.
Put a thumbs up.
Yes, definitely. For her comments especially. It's time to go to Mango Bay. It's getting cloudy. May rain. Let's see. This is the adventure.
Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh, what the fuck? No.
See, this is where the trust part is important.
Yeah,
Generally, when people
I trust you.
start walking.
You can do it. Wow. Okay, that's better.
Yeah.
Oh well, I don't. What a terrible road.
This is the adventure.
This is for advanced, extreme.
Adrenaline adventure.
Oh my god. Oh Jesus motherfucking god. We could, oh my gosh. Okay. Where does it end?
Mango.
Never! It's going to hell! This road is straight to hell! I didn't think we were so up. Ooh.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la! Okay. Oh my goodness!
Lean.
Yes, I'm leaning. Oh, not too fast. Not too fast. Ah! Oh my gosh.
It feels we are doing only fans at this time. You're like you do not do.
Oh my gosh. Oh, but this is beautiful. But wow.
Jesus Christ, yes.
I understand now the comments on the internet about Mango Bay.
Oh wow.
Oh, oh.
Definitely you have good reactions. Good for you.
I was gonna say I hope we don't have to go there, but here we are. Oh my god, my level of adrenaline is so high. And you will hear all the comments in the video. I'm sorry about that. You will have to put the music of background because otherwise.
So.
Oh my gosh, you will have to send me these videos. I don't know how, but
No, it'll be on YouTube, so you can
Yes.
watch it. Give it to your family, they can watch
yes.
it. Comment and subscribe and share, please. Put a thumbs up. Yes, definitely. For her comments especially.
I'm the attraction of the video.
Oh yes, my video. Okay, let's just go to the end if it's not good. People, we are going for Mango Bay and it's raining as
That's shit.
So one view and then we go down to the second. Good? Or you want to stay here in the rain?
It's okay.
Okay. Our friend is here in the rain enjoying Mango Bay, but no, not enjoying.
But it's still beautiful.
It's still beautiful.
I'm too scared to talk. So it's better for the camera.
See, there's fog on the road.
I can see it.
I got inspired by him. Okay, I have to put my sunglasses back. It seems like you're hanging by one hand.
Yes, I am. To
Okay, good,
hold
good.
back.
Because we are just recording him. Yay. That was easy. I can feel your legs shaking.